My name is Klaus Germann. I'm coming from Austria, even if my name sounds German. I'm here as a guest of the company Profindustry, who also invited me to speak here in front of you. Let me start with the introduction of our cooperation, or with somehow with an explanation of our cooperation. We are having Profindustry on one hand, who are very experienced in Russia, of course, and in the CIS country. On the other hand, we are multi-cash experienced in Europe and in other parts of the world. Profindustry, very experienced and focused on banknotes during their past. Multi-cash, 100% focused on coins. That means the combination of notes and coins and of the experiences in different parts of the world are already showing the synergy effects of our cooperation, which is meanwhile already a partnership. This is Austria, as I already mentioned. It's a wonderful country to live in. It's a wonderful country for vacation, especially if you're skiing. And it's also a wonderful country to work in. Our company is located right in the middle of Austria, which gives us the chance to have all our suppliers around. We are having our developers around, we are having our suppliers around, and even our production places are very near, since Upper Austria is a very strong economical area. What we can offer for our customers is based on a 30-year experience in this business. We are meanwhile supplying 40 countries with our equipment, and this lasts in almost 8,000 installations in different countries and different environments, like cash-in-transit environments, like bank environments, like public transports, vending, and retail. This big installed base also shows something about the reliability of our products. Reliability is not only a catchword for us. What you, our customers and potential customers, are awaiting from us is products which are working fault-free and which are offering perfect and reliable performance. Everybody says a clockwork shows reliability. The best clocks are coming from Switzerland, and even if we're no Swiss company, even our Swiss customers are satisfied with our equipment, so it can't be that bad. For the development of our products, we are having one central motto, which is simple but perfect, or in other words, reduced to the maximum. We are on the opinion that developments which are straightforward and simple built are the best ones for the markets, and they are lasting for the longest time. This is not even, or this is not always an easy task to be reached, but at the end of the day, we are still convinced that simple but perfect produces the best machines for our customers. In a bit more detail, our developments are structured or are built in the form of a pyramid, again based on a very long experience. The most important point for you as the customer is availability. That means only a machine which is working in real life is a good machine. The second stage is flexibility. That means we are trying to develop our machines in modules, in small modules, which can then be put together in different housings for different applications to to be or to be able to be used in different environments and adapted to the customer's requirements easily. The next one is the handling. It's important that a machine like ours is easy to handle, not only for the end customer, but also for supervisors, but also for engineers and other groups of people. The next one are the sensors. For you, this might be a prerequisite. That means if you have a machine which is counting coin, it's simply counting coin. For us, it's sometimes an adventure. We are having our own coin sensor developed around 15 years ago already. We are now in the 4th generation, and we are very proud because at this time it's definitely one of the best in the world. And the last one, or the top of the pyramid, is design. Design is important. Design is very important for marketing people. It's very, or even more important for architects. It's also important for us, but we are more technical driven. That means for us the function of a machine is always the more important thing, but of course a machine might not look ugly anyway. Now we are coming from the pyramid to a cycle, which is some kind, or which is somehow showing our products, or at least some of our products. I'm missing OEM products here and sidecar solutions, but this is what we are also presenting here on the booth of Profindustry. On the left-hand side, we have the back office equipment in non-sorting, sorting versions. And on the right-hand side, we have coin deposit systems, again for different environments, starting from entry-level solutions up to heavy-duty solutions. If you're talking about coin deposit systems, I'd like to make a short sidestep to our cloud solution. We developed this PC solution which can be installed on an internal or on an external server, and which can be used to monitor multiple devices which are installed in different areas, of course. This gives you, as a customer, the chance to monitor the machines, to load all the statistics, to see the health status of the machines. That means to drive your service, and you're, of course, always informed about the filling level of the units, so that you can order the pickup of coins by CIT companies or whomever. This slide is a very technical one, and I don't want to bore you a long time with these details, but I think it's important since it's a unique system. We developed an active sorting system which is combining active sorting with gravity-driven coins. That means, in our case, the coins are not driven by any belt or any chain which may wear out and tear out. In our case, we are using gravity, and we are simply measuring the speed of the coins, of the already counted coins, and then they will be kicked out at exactly the right position. This is offering a couple of advantages for you. I just want to mention two of them. The first one is, since we are completely independent of the diameter and of the physics of the coins, we are able to handle two different currencies at the same time without doing any mechanical interventions. And the second one is, and this will be an advantage for your cashiers, it's a 100% blockage-free system. Now we are coming to one of my favorite topics, which is customization. Of course, we love our standard products with all their options, but our passion is customization. We think that we are very flexible and very fast with new developments, and that's why just keep in mind, if you once have a task or if you once have a requirement around coin which seems to be tricky, just let us know. We would like if you give us a nut to crack. This is, again, a slide concentrating on the user interface. I already mentioned that the handling of a machine is important. Therefore, we are even cooperating with a university in Austria who are completely concentrating on HCE, that is human-computer interaction, and they are helping us to make our machines easy or to be easily used by different groups of users. What we can see here are some slides of our software which is running on our TFTs. This software is easily to be customized by yourself. That means these slides are showing the workflow, or you can show the workflow of the machine easily. You can load different backgrounds, logos, pictures, images, videos even. So that means besides showing the customer what to do, you can even use it as a perfect advertisement platform anyway. Before I come to the end, we still have to talk about currencies. As you can see here, of course, we have a Russian template and we have a few templates of the CIS countries already. Since our sensor system is a self-learning one, it's easy to adapt it to other currencies, of course. And I want to close with a funny story. As you can see, 2 years ago, we were trying to get our machine approved or tested by the central bank in St. Petersburg, and I spent there almost 2 weeks for adjusting the machine, for improving everything to get or to pass this test. The funny thing is, within these 2 weeks, I did never touch one single coin within their facilities, but we even passed the test. That's it so far. Spasiba, thank you to everybody to your attention.